Hi, welcome back to Nursing Manthra. Today we have another exciting topic, how to become a registered T.C.A.M practitioner in Sultanate of Oman. What are the documents to be arranged? What is the process? Whether I should visit Oman to write the exam? You will be having all these doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification to get informative videos of all healthcare professionals. Now we can see what all are the documents required. Updated resume, BAMS certificate, that is your degree certification. It should be original, that should be attested from HR attestation, MEE and Embassy of Oman. Experience certificate of 3 years. No need to attest the experience certificate. The period of internship, that is considered as 1 year experience. So again 2 year experience is required after the internship certificate. You have to get the experience certificate from the hospital HR department or the hospital director. It should be from the hospital like letterhead and sealed and signed by the medical director or HR director, okay, and all information should be there. Better to keep attested original certificates of your 10th and 12th grade certificate. You must produce your passport copy, visa page, passport size photo, Dataflow verification report. Then application form will be there, available from the Ministry of Health Oman website. You will get the application form. You have to fill that application form and we can submit that application form. Now we can see what is the application process. First you have to complete the PSV, Dataflow process for your educational degree, then internship certificate, license and your experience. Once you get a positive Dataflow report, then you have to send all the documents copy to Ministry of Health Oman along with duly filled application form. Copy of the passport with visa page and 3 photographs. Examination fee, that is 30 Omani Riyal, has to be paid at this time. If you are Ayurvedic T.C.A.M practitioner, then the post applied is MO-Ayurveda, like that. The application is subjected to verification and the originals may be asked for the purpose, verification purpose at this time. Not for all candidates, but some candidates, they will ask you to submit all the documents, okay. After verification, admission slip for the written examination you will be given, and with there will be exam date will be there and time also mentioned. So you have to go to the exam center based on the date and time. Now we can see what is the syllabus. All BAMS portions give special importance to Panchakarma, okay, and the examination type means it is a written exam for general practitioners, specialities, then dentists, alternative medicine, all are held together in the same date and same place. Usually the number of BAMS doctors attending the exam is less than 5, like that. The written exam consists of one paper of 100 marks in 2 hours. It is divided into 2 parts. Part 1 with 10 MCQ for multiple choice questions for 50 marks and part 2 with 5 short notes for 50 marks. Each MCQ have 5 options against which you have to mark true or false, that also, and other model option also will be there. With the 4 options you will get, you have to select the correct options. And each question carries 1 mark. There are no negative marks. For short notes, you will be provided for writing, the pages will be attached with the question paper itself. So each question carries 10 marks. The question paper will be collected soon after the exam. You have to score 70 marks out of 100 to pass the exam. And the result will be announced once a week after the exams in the MOH headquarters. Then Viva for succeeded candidates will be held 2 days after the result. If you could not pass in the first chance of written exam, you have to apply again for the second chance, which will be held the very next month. And if you pass in written exam but failed the first chance of Viva, you can attend the Viva second chance after 1 week. But if you fail in the second chance of Viva too, then you have to repeat the whole process again. That means you have to attend the written exam for second time. Each month, one written exam and 2 viva exams will be held. There is a rule which I am not sure about that. If you fail in 2 consecutive written exam, you have to wait for 6 months to appear again. Like you will get the application approval after 6 months, like that I heard, but not sure. Okay. So be prepared well before attending exam. After studying only take the exam date. Okay. I just shared the information collected from various public sources. The TCM professionals who are already working in Oman. You are welcome to correct any of this information shared are wrong, or if you have anything to add to this video. If you need more clarification or assistance for the process, please contact Nursing Manthra WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Thank you.